Hey, what's today, the 29th?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? Today's the 29th, Tuesday. And it is raining in Badoc. Man, it was all right when we first start walking, okay? We got what, 5 minutes from the house, away from the house, and all of a sudden it just started pouring down raining. Oh.
Wow.
What?
It's heavy. Heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Yeah, it's been raining what? How many days now straight?
Straight.
How many days?
I don't know how many days of yesterday is.
Yesterday wasn't so bad.
Yeah, it's okay.
But I guess today's making up for yesterday. And they say the GoPro is waterproof, so
Is it?
that's what they say. Ah. Are you doing all right? Yeah. Okay then.
It's nice to walk under the rain, no?
I hate getting wet. I mean, a little bit of wetness don't bother me. It's when you get soaked. I hate that, man. Let's cut through here. Man, look at this. Hopefully they're not having to battle the speakers here. Hello.
Careful.
Hey, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, no music today.
Yes. Silent as hell.
Huh?
Silent.
Yeah, it's silent.
Quiet.
I don't know. You want to keep on? Well, it's slowed down. You want to walk?
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, it's slowed down a little bit, so.
Nabasan to na.
And watch this, it'll start downpouring hard. Like, we go inside a shelter, the rain stops. We come out, it'll probably start
This
raining.
one will go. Go.
Yep.
Nagmaya di kalmang ko. Apod. Wow. Same as me.
What?
Afraid to grow.
What?
Afraid to grow.
Afraid to grow? Yeah. Actually, you're seeing more and more tall Filipinos. You know that? You're seeing more and more. What's the average height in the Philippines? Do you know? The average?
I don't know.
I mean, It's not a, I don't know, I could care less, to be honest with you. So you do know that when I looked up the weather, they said it was only a 40% chance it's going to rain.
40%?
40% chance.
Yes. Can we go there?
All right, hold on. Damn it. Thanks, bud. Yeah, Miles wants to get some of the world's biscuits, whatever you want to call them.
Biscuit po na. Panaganan natin, biscuit po na. 15, 20. Biscuit ko na. 10, 20, 30.
I'm just glad I brung the umbrella. And Miles brung hers.
Thank you.
Thank you. How many did you get?
30,
30.
30, 6 pieces.
Oh, I said, how much did you get? And you said 30.
30 pesos.
Yeah, 6 pieces. Yeah, them rolls ain't bad. They're pretty good, man. They go well with some butter and coffee.
Yep.
Hey, Mel, this is what you're going to be dealing with at times, the rain
Right.
and the brownouts. But you want to know something? You get used to it. After a while, it's a part of life. You're like, whatever. Like yesterday with the brownout, I was like, whatever.
That's 1 hour, more than 1 hour.
Yeah, it was a little over an hour.
Yeah.
A little bit. An hour and a half, I think. I don't know. I don't care, man.
Come to the Philippines, Mel, to join us dealing with that heavy rain, brownout.
Well, see, go ahead. Hello. See, people either they're complaining because it's so hot and humid, or they're complaining because it's raining, or they're complaining that the brownout. You want to know something? After a while, man, you're just like, whatever. You know, you get used to it, man. You just get used to it, and you're like, whatever. But Texas, and Mel will know what I'm talking about. Anybody that's been to Texas, when you get Texas rain, whoo, Texas rain is like a downpour.
Yeah.
But it don't last very long. Doesn't last long at all, but it's hard. There's the barangay captain, barangay. Still working on the building.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Yep. Do the painting now.
Good morning, good morning. Sorry. Almost got hit. It would have been my fault. Nah, I was being a tourist and I was looking up at stuff, and as I was looking up, I was walking out to the middle of the street. It would have been my fault. Plus, I got it on video, so I can't deny it. Hey, you got anything planned for today?
No.
Huh?
No plan.
Neither do I. Nothing at all, man. See, the rain, the way I look at it, the rain is nature's way of cleaning Badoc. Yeah?
Yeah. All right.